today I'm gonna be making you, I'm gonna give you the basics. Basics, this is gonna be the code lines, basic to advanced video. So I'm actually using the browser-based Kotlin compiler, Kotlin playground by the developers of Android, Google. So this will be actually the best, I think, for those who use mobile and those who have laptops can actually get access to this. So let's get started. Kotlin. So in the Kotlin, I'm gonna show you the basic function. In the basic printing hello in Kotlin function, you have to define a function and the name, function main, and here print ln co in the braces hello world. So when I run this program, so what I'm going to show you is hello world. So Kotlin Kotlin programs requires a main function. So this is the main function. And here we are defining the function with fun. If you end fun, you should actually use this. And it's like the entry point of the program. We can have as many functions as we want in our program. Firstly, in our code, we define the function, then can call the function. Defining the function needs a name. So here in this program, main is the name of the function. Main is the name of the function. Function, it can have it can have or cannot have input. So here, what's just happening? That was a typing mistake. Here, function. So main is the name of the function. It can have or cannot have an input. Here we are giving it the null input. So it can or cannot have input. And the function should have a body. So first, functions start with a curly brace. So this curly brace ends up here. And the middle part is where we write print ln hello world or anything is the body. Yeah, is the body. As in the C or other languages, you should use a semicolon for every statement or line function, but in Kotlin you don't need that. So it's very simple language. See the syntax, function, name, input, open the curly brace, body, and close this. Name of the function here is main, no inputs as the bounds are empty, brackets are empty. The line of the code present between opening and closing curly braces of a function. So whenever you want to define a function in Kotlin, use fun only in the lowercase. I was showing you here. Name of the function is found after the fun keyword. It's okay. Name of the function is usually assigned as verb or verb phrase. So it would be great if you use a good name. If I use here my name or anyone's name, let's say Java. Let's run this. No main method found in the project. So function name should be main. Okay. If you are the beginners of programming, no need of actually getting worried about this. Use the main function. Main as a function name. That's it. Name of the function is usually assigned a verb or verb phrase. Functions names should follow the camel case, where the first word of the function name is all lowercase. If here we have another name, like we say main class. So here for the next word, class, C should be capital, here this is class. So this, like this. So these, I've shown you how the basic syntax of a program in Kotlin. So about the syntax, the fun and the last curly braces should be vertically aligned. I mean, it should end on the left side below the function. Print statement or the body statement should actually start it on the second line after defining the function name and opening the curly brace with a 4-space gap. The function body should be indented in by 4 spaces. Do not use table character. The closing curly brace is on its own line after the last line of the code in the function body. The closing brace should line up with the function keyword at the beginning of the function. Now, this is the basic of the first Kotlin program you have written. So next video will be on variables. Please do like and share and subscribe if you like it. I'm gonna try my level best to take you from a basic programmer. If you don't have any prior programming experience, you can watch this video. Or if you want to learn Kotlin perfectly, you can watch this video because we're gonna go from scratch to the perfect Android building. Like Google is choosing its official Android language. I mean, for using the Android Studio Kotlin. So it's not a famous one. So thank you all for attending.